G'day guys, it's Johnny's Hot Tip here. Now don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're making our own DIY bookmarker. So what you guys have to do is once you finish reading the title, right, like so, obviously open the page up there like so, get your first page. And what you want to do is just rip it out there like so, right, and then you finish reading that and you come in and you just rip it out, right, and so forth. We're going to have a bit of a read, right. Now obviously these are all the pages that no one ever reads anyway, so you just go through there like so. Alright, and so there you go, to your first page, you've read through all the rest of it and you just rip it out, put it in. Have a read, rip it out, put it in. Alright, quick read, rip it out, put it in. But don't worry guys, we're going to recycle this afterwards. We can burn that, we can do whatever we want with that, puppy pads, whatever you need, but that is going to get reused, so don't worry about that. And then what you'll end up with, so say you go through, you've read a lot of your book, we'll go through, we'll just do it quickly for you guys, just for the video. I'm not like, once you finish reading that page there, like so, what you'll end up with is basically, say we come to the end here, that's your last page, you ripped it off, right, and book is finished. You don't have to, put this book away, have this book on a bookshelf, just wasting out room, just collecting dust, and yeah, it's just a waste. So what you do, throw it out, you're done. That's Donny's Hot Tips, DIY bookmarkers. I'll see you on the next one.